Hi everyone, this is Eddie from CLW. On the table, this is the Made in China Hi-capa 4.3. It's now in discount price, $55. This gun is full metal. I'm quite surprised that because this gun has been in our shop for 2 months and is a sample gun for customer to test fire to feel the gas blowback feeling. This gun is full metal. Top frame, middle frame, even the grip is full metal. The real gun is plastic here, but they made it in full metal. That's why the weight of this gun is very heavy. It's been fired more than 1,000 rounds and still functional. And I'm going to test fire this gun here. And first we test the power of the gun. 0.81 joules here, using the 0.2 gram, and I'm going to do the accuracy test. This is not too far, so you can So it's been fired more than 20 rounds and only 1 round left. The bad thing of this gun is the magazine can only hold gas for only 20 rounds. So I suggest if you purchase this gun, you must purchase another brand of magazine like Tokyo Marui or even KJWE. So let's see. Actually, the accuracy of this gun is not too bad in this distance. But I also suggest you use a better grade hop-up rubber. So please visit our website for this fantastic gun. Thank you.